Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nurul Syafiqah binti Muhammad Fairuz. You can call me Syafiqah and I'm your tour guide today. So, welcome to Windcraft. How you feeling today to explore about Labu Sayong? I hope you feeling well. So you can get new experience to do the Labu Sayong or what the price of Labu Sayong. The art of Labu Sayong has existed in Kuala Kangsar for centuries in the district of Labu Sayong, and only can lay hand on this water picture. Traditional, it is used for store drink and is a semi-permeable to keep cool, and it also healing for properties. Pottery is a handcraft made from clay. It's kneaded, applied with various pattern, smoke and fire to produce an artistic and unique design. The black pottery is come from old pumpkin and they remove and clean to use the container. The surface pattern is decorated with ornamental motifs such as paddy flower, bamboo shoot, star anise, melostoma, clove and geometry. All of you tired already? Okay, so when if you guys not tired, we continue about the Windcraft. So Windcraft have established in 1985 by the Rizwan Behamli, the third generation. He studied in Japan 1 year to improve the quality method to make Labu Sayong. He is very skilled in carving and making traditional and modern technique. Oh, about the price, is a pricing high, accessible. It's a range for RM3 to RM300. Depending size and complexity, when bigger is more pricey. Did you all bring your money so you can buy Labu Sayong here? Hi, did you go buy anything? Because I have buy it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for choosing me for your tour guide today. I hope we will meet again.